Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video, I will give you the most simple way to create a glitch text mask in Canva. So first of all, we see that we are in Canva, then we can just open a file and like have a blank page. We go here, text, add a heading. Let's say your word is glitch, and maybe we put which is the best font for it. So yeah, we have this font. So what you're gonna do is we just simply go to edit, then we go to effects and search for glitch. Now we can put the duration of glitch to high. There we go. We have a glitch effect here, and we can just make it like static. Here you can see that we have a glitch effect in our hands now. Oh, so that's how simple it is to create a glitch text mask in Canva. Once again, thank you for watching, and I hope that you will keep on supporting our channel, and off to the next video.